Our national bird, the Chakoor. Then the national bird of Pakistan is Chukoor. Chukoor bird has an extremely sweet voice. Chukoor lives in rocky and open hillsides. People keep these birds at home too. Due to their sweet voice, they are cute birds. Now, next page. The size of Chakor lies in the range of 32 to 35 centimeters. The Chakor can't fly a long distance. The average life of Chakor is 2 to 5 years. The average speed of Chakor is 20 kilometers per hour. Chakor always prefers to run rather than fly, but it can fly some short distance too. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.